Hello, everyone. My name is Sherry. I'm from the San Francisco Bay Area. I purchased Peter Szabo's program about 2 years ago, and this was right before the pandemic. And I really resonated with the program. The content in it was extremely detailed, and the price was right. What I got out of the program and what I've continued to get out of the program is a place I can go to in which I can pull up my old paradigms, whatever's troubling me, whatever seems to be stuck, and I can get to the source of it and I can level up that energy behind it. That has been the one of the biggest takes that I've had with Peter's program, in addition to the fact that Peter lays out a really concise method by which to track every area of your life and to do it on a daily basis. Something that I was not, I'd never done before. And so with that, I've just found that I've not necessarily been one of these people that I've just consistently followed it. No, my paradigms have been such that I'll pick it up and I'll follow it for a while and then I'll put it down and that's how it's been. But the real value in this is that I keep going back. Every time I follow through on just the process and really hone into it, I get better and better. And so I may not pick it up for a while, a couple of months, and then I'll find myself getting stuck on something that's like, oh, okay, let me go to that old memory and let's bring that memory up and let's source hack that memory and then let me get back on track again. And what I found with that is that little by little I've gotten better. It's not been an overnight thing. It's not been a big magical wand thing. You've got to show up and do the work. And his program is he offers information that I've found other programs just don't. And so I've been able to fill in the blanks. So I really highly recommend it. The price is really affordable. 500 was what I purchased it for, and that was really affordable. And so if you're looking to change your life, if you're looking for a way in which to get to those old stuck issues that you don't even know that you've got, but you're getting the same result, I highly recommend Peter's program. Thank you.